Breaking news lang. Welcome to the Short Hair Club! Magandang gabi, everyone. So for today's video, I will be showing the product with me. It's the blusher. This video is not sponsored. Wala pa akong sponsor. If you want to sponsor me, go ahead! Why not? Shout out Madam Donna. So she told me to purchase this blusher. So I'm gonna be doing a review about this blusher. If you haven't seen a video yet, the only video I did. So why don't you check that out? So before you go into this video. The packaging looks like this. So iswatch natin siya. So I'm just gonna go into this one. So I got that. I think medyo matagal-tagal ata siya mag-warm up. So it looks like this. Now, let's put it on our cheeks or on our face. Hindi ko alam talaga kung ano sasabihin ko. 1, 2. Actually, nagbibilang lang talaga ako. Pero hindi naman talaga ako nag-ano. Creamy siya. Blendable siya. Madali siyang i-blend. Pero mukha na naman ako nasa pack. My mom, my dad, and everybody who knows me does not like it when I have these red cheeks. Pero I love color. I like colors to pop. It seems very buildable siya. I think this one can also be used sa lips. So this is the Drunk in Love. So sino ba yung mga drunk dyan? Tsaka yung mga in love? It's actually okay. So I think I need more on my cheeks because, you know, this girl likes her blush. I think I would give it out of a 10. I will give this blusher a 7 out of 10. So if you guys want more of that, contact or DM me and then I will be the one to talk to the seller, or you can just add Donna Olesco down below. Charot, parang pilit talagang vlog. If you want this kind of blusher or something like that, don't hesitate to DM me and I'll tell you where to find it. Bye! So that's for today's video.